Hello students, here I am going to see geometric mean in continuous series. Okay, and the last one in GM la we already done individual and discrete. The continuous series is the last one. In 10 mark la we can expect this continuous series problem. So first you see the continuous series problem, continuous series formula. Okay, that is GM equal to, in the last formula no, antilog of summation f into log x, no, instead of x you write m divided by capital M. So easily we can remember this formula. In last formula in discrete life f into log x, no, instead of x you write m. Okay, in the problem I will tell you what is m. So summation of log m by n, it's the same formula, here m only I am using. Okay, in the problem I tell what is m. Okay, this is a problem. Fourth one, calculate GM for the following data. GM geometric mean, they are given marks and number of students, and the marks is nothing but in so the marks is the interval form, the lower upper. This is a continuous type. Whenever they given interval form and number of students na f, the frequency already. What is frequency is nothing but number of students, number of workers, that all frequency. Okay, that is what f. Okay, interval is nothing but class interval. Okay, now let's see the problem. Class interval they given. So class interval what is given? 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50. The last one 50 to 60. Okay, this is a class interval. It is an exclusive class interval. So that means lower is 10, upper 20. No, this same value come again in the lower 20. Okay, இப்போ 30 na the 30 தான் இங்க இருக்கு. Okay, 40 na the 40. இந்த மாதிரி இந்த சேமா அப்படி வந்ததுனா அதுதான் எக்ஸ்க்ளூசிவ். அப்படி இருந்தா தான் நம்ம ப்ராப்ளம் வந்து போட முடியும். Okay, now frequency. What is the frequency they given? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. This is a value they given. That is the frequency. Number of students na frequency. Okay, now first what do you do? In the formula f into log m, that means in the class interval, from the class interval you find mid value, take that is m. So m is nothing but mid value of the class interval. So how to find this? Just to add these two values. If you add 10 plus 20 we get 30. After adding divided by 2, don't forget divided by 2, that is nothing but 15. Okay, so mid value na in the lower upper add பண்ணிட்ட பிறகு divided by 2 ன்னு போடணும், that is 15. Likewise இதை add பண்ணி each இதுக்கு அப்படி போடுறதுக்கு first மாட்டிமா mid value find பண்ணிட்டு what's the length எல்லாம் 10 இருக்கா, difference 10 இது கூட 10 add பண்ணிட்டே வாங்க. first மட்டும் lower upper add பண்ணா 30 by 2 15. next in the length of the class interval difference 10 க்கு 20 க்கு 10, 20 க்கு 30 க்கு difference பாத்தீங்கன்னா 10 இருக்கு. அந்த 10 இது கூட add பண்ணிட்டே வாங்க. 15 கூட 10 add பண்ணா 25. now 35. 10 add பண்ணுங்க 45. 10 add பண்ணா 55. first மட்டும் you find mid value. after that இது length 10 இருக்கனால add 10. Okay, this is your m. And that means in book some book la mid x ன்னு போடுவாங்க. Here I am using m. m na middle value of the class interval. Now formula la what's the formula? f log m la m log m. That means in the m க்கு you find log. That means log m na the m value க்கு you find the log. Okay, log 15 is already told how to find, already taught how to find the log of the value. So for each m value you know how to find log. Okay, using scientific calculator you find the log of the value. Okay, first value, what's the first value? 15. So log 15 is nothing but 1.1761. just check all the values. Log 25 1.3979. now 1.3441. now 1. last 45 to 07. So log 45 is nothing but 1.653132. Okay, now log 55. So log 55 is nothing but 1.7404. Okay, log 55. So after finding the log value for each m, now come to the formula. Formula is f into log m. Okay, we need the column f log m. So f log m na the f value logarithm is just to multiply. So what is f? 3. 3 into this thing. So 3 into 1.17. So when we multiply this, we get 3.5283. Now 6 into 1.69. That means 8.3874. Now 9 into 1.9 into this. That means 13.8969. Now 12 into this 1.65. So 12 into this. Okay, after find f into this log m, multiplication of f into log m, after that you write sum of all the f log m value. That means summation f log m, find the total of this. Just add this all value. So if you add this, we get 71.757. Okay, check all the values. Don't copy it directly. Each value you scientific calculate pannittu add pannu. Okay. Now we need total of frequency. That is our capital N. So whenever frequency given na, you just add this all f values. That is our capital N. Okay. If you add these two values, all the values, you get 45. Check. Okay, the total பண்ணி பாத்தீங்கன்னா 45 தான் செக் பண்ணிடுங்க. 31 46. So the total of Fi is nothing but that is our capital N equal to 45. Okay, now come to the formula. So Gm equal to anti-log of formula. This is the formula summation f log n. The total is 71.757. 71.757 divided by n. N is nothing but 45. Okay. Now divide this. So anti-log of divide 71.75 divided by 45. That is nothing but 1.5946. Okay. Anti-log of, if you divide this, we get 1.5946. Now for this you find anti-log. So most of the students வந்து இது divide பண்ணி இதுதான் answer போடுவாங்க. That is not answer. So what do you do? In the value you find anti-log. That means shift log. Okay, shift log. Shift log, type this value. Shift log press பண்ணிட்டு இதை type பண்ணீங்கன்னா we get so 39.3188. This is your answer. After decimal you write two values enough. Okay, 3. The third value is more than 5. Add here 1. So 2. So this is enough. This is your GM. Continuous series means the class symbol is given. This is a continuous series problem. I hope you understand the whole thing. First you find m na middle value. In the continuous series you find middle. After that for m you find log m. The log m you multiply panna f log. That total divided by n. N na total of frequency. I think you understand this concept. If you any doubt, you ask in comment. I will clear your doubt. So thank you, students.